You not see nothing wrong with it. Nothing no bother on about brown man situation and how it deal with it. Nothing no bother on the brain. Nothing no tickle in the brain. Want to say nothing no strange about it? You know what? I break it down for you now. Because I get tricky in a big time. You know? The big story is that brown man unalive a man because he want to give him $1,000 for the egg and the man say $1,200 for the egg, right? And brown man just got crazy and kill the man and kill 2 other people. Okay, we're going to take that story there, right? A million story, but we're going to take the one them where surface on the net and the news, right? So brown man killed 3 people. So that means a brown man is a killer. Brown man is not a hesitating murderer. Brown man, when you're dead, he make a boss here. Brown man kill the eggman over egg. That is first thing. Is not true. Alright? Boom. Brown man unalive 3 people. 3. Zin? Lucky. Argument develop. Can we hear a different thing? The allegations are that brown man did a sell the can them. And homeboy and him must in a can dealings and them old brown man. So brown man tell him say I give him $1,000 for the egg and him not want that. And brown man say boy if you owe me and me can't owe you and whatever. All of that are argument to just float around in the ear. But pay attention. Don't get distracted. Brown man unalive 3 people, right? So if you unalive 3 people, you already know say the next thing will happen, police are come and you're going to run wanted. What did brown man do? Brown man go back to him yard. First thing that now add up, you know. That are the first thing now add up. Brown man go back to him yard. Zin? Brown man lock himself in him house. Padlock the grill. Lock him door inside. Zin? Second thing that mentally brown man know him yard and him safe haven. Zin? Boom. Brown man there in yard. Police come. People wanna listen. Don't start talking. Listen. Police come. Police and brown man a shootout. Soldier come. Soldier and brown man still a shootout. 3 hours worth of shooting them say, right? The allegations are that a 3 hours of shooting. So that means say from brown man see police, brown man start beat can, right? Police a beat back can, right? 3 hours, you know. 3 hours or 4 hours. You know how long 4 hours is? Brown man a shoot off 5 police them. Terry, pay attention and stop asking the man which community. Why you listen? Terry, you have to listen. 4 hours worth of shooting. Not one police not get shot. Listening up. Not one dege police not get shot. Not a soldier. Zin? Which part? Them will tell us that police get shot now. So all the day of the shooting, you know, hear saying that police get shot. Wanna stop, make them chicken with media. Listen to me, I say. You got to hear all kind of things days after. Zin, the news corrupted. You know if you know. The news corrupted, bro. Make me done. No, first day, we not hear say no police get a shot. None. Zin, brown man is not a loose shooter. Brown man is a calculated murderer. Zine, check this now. Brown man in a house, like how me in the house. Window block up everything. Police out a door. Police can't see in the house. Soldier come and everything. Brown man a fire shot for 3 hours. Oh, the closer the police them get, brown man stop shoot. Oh, the closer the police them get, brown man stop shoot. Think about it, you know. Remember, brown man in a suicide situation. Brown man lock himself in the house. Brown man not know if he go. Brown man not try escape. See? Because if brown man did try escape, brown man wouldn't go back in yard. Listen good, you know. Listen good. Listen good. And pay attention and don't make them trick on you. When them there at the door, a brown man house lesson, them a say, surrender. Surrender. We are not here to hurt you. We are not here to hurt you. Oh, brown man nah fire and shot them time there. You see how much ammunition in there? You see how much gunshot brown man have left? Also, that gun, not even soldier Jamaican have the gun. Let me tell you what I think brown man is. I think brown man is a CIA agent where them having a Jamaica, because all of them they are Jamaica, where them will call and activate you anytime. But me think the ammunition them where them give brown man a sell them from the side and a hustle. And I saw him and Eggman have the argument. That are my opinion. Me not say this a fact, you know. This are my analyzation. Zine, that gun there a normal gun. That is a army special gun with them give him a favorite rifle that. You not? Yes, him is a sleeper cell. Oh, you not hear brown man, sister, mother, daughter, nobody. See me in my house here. See me have my daughter picture, my son picture, my family them. I have things in this with my mother. Oh, you not see none of that. Oh, you not see none of that. Where brown man girl there? Where brown man woman there? Where him auntie? Where him grandmother? Where them there? Oh, the closer the police get to the house, brown man now fire, no shot. Think no man, or no think. Brown man already know say, him not fi shoot no police. Them a go tell us in family live in Canada. Them not go give no real story from brown man. Them a go make up story in the media, but common sense. Why wasn't brown man shooting at the police the closer them get? You a shoot out to the police them for 3 hours and no police no get shot? No bullet ridden vehicle no out there? No, him not try kill none of the police them. Them not try kill him and him not try kill them. Remember, you know, when you look which part the police them a fire, most of the shot them, you know, around the window in the wall them, you know. So if them soldier will come, fire so much wild shot round the window, them would have killed innocent people then. Because them not fire in the window to kill brown man. Them a fire round the window. You see when L.A. Lewis got the next day, and a video him look at things, say I catch it up, that make me know say Jamaica people get tricked. Because I see some things that you don't notice. You know see say no blood, no them on the white sheet. But them claim say them a bring out brown man. You think no boy can hold up Jamaica police and soldier at ransom for 3-4 hours and them go in and go kill him and you hear 3 shots and you don't see no blood? Jamaican police no carry out boy with sheet over them. Jamaica police are drag you out. What do you when the boy them go rob Portland? When you see them a throw them in a van back, you see them a come up nothing. When them kill the youth them at Clarendon, or you see them throw them, the police or your sister boy dead.